Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Agriculture. It's at the center of each and every life on Earth, from the food we eat to the clothing we wear to fuel and raw materials like rubber. Humans cannot survive without agriculture. Today, we're in the heart of the Willamette Valley in Junction City, Oregon, and the home of ORCAL Incorporated. ORCAL knows that agriculture goes beyond just a practical description. Founded more than 25 years ago, they operate today as an agricultural, consumer, and toll manufacturing company that specializes in crop protection. ORCAL formulates and manufactures a variety of their own products, as well as toll manufactures for many other companies. Their own product line includes industry-leading miticides, fungicides, insecticides, solar protectants, slug and snail baits, and chilling applications. They have two locations, one in Junction City, Oregon, which houses their liquid production facilities, and one in Harrisburg, Oregon, where they manufacture dry pellet products. At both plants, they're able to fill a wide range of package sizes. Dedicated to sustainable farming practices, ORCAL exemplifies the truth that one does not have to be a big company to have a big impact, creating products that are matching profitability for farmers with a positive environmental impact. ORCAL, continuing to produce both organic and conventional solutions using mineral-based products without GMOs that enhance yields and improve water use efficiency. To learn more, visit orcalinc.com today. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.